Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering prerequisites and creating the app scaffold. Verify Node. JS and your package manager are installed, then install the Feather CLI. This gives you registration utilities. Once done, create a project folder and run npm in it to generate package. JSON. Make sure you have your API key, client ID, and a valid redirect URI ready because the registration command will ask for them. You're ready to run the initial register command. Proceed now to execute the first registration step. You now run the registration flow using the CLI with your client ID and redirect URI. The command initiates an OAuth handshake. Follow the prompt to open the URL, authenticate, and then paste back the code shown at the redirect endpoint. Once the CLI exchanges the code, it will output client credentials and scopes. Make sure to store the client's secret in an environment variable or a secret manager immediately, because you'll need it for server-side authentication and to avoid exposing secrets in source control. You finish by wiring the returned credentials into your app configuration and restarting the service so it picks up the new values. Then request an access token using the client secret and perform a simple API call to confirm scopes and responses match expectations. If the call succeeds, registration is complete and safe to deploy. If it fails, check common issues. Redirect URI mismatches in the console and server clock skew, synchronize NTP on the host. That single troubleshooting tip fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.